sapper. Go on then. Hello. Hello. Yeah.
Oh my god, can you
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Does look painful. Hello. Following. Oh my god. I think we should run.
I think they will come after us until we buy something.
No, we're not going to give in.
Yeah? I feel less weird.
Should we run for a bit?
Should we?
Yeah, it'd be funny if they follow us.
Let's run.
Okay. Okay, they've stopped.
You know you're the truth, and I was like, oh yeah brother, that's right, I almost forgot it. No money in my pocket, got me feeling like a prophet. My shit ain't sold, they lost their soul, cause the devil come around and wanna cop it. Stop it, that's why you gotta free your mind. It's for your own good, you should feel inclined. Don't wanna read them, them signs. Fuck niggas if they don't wanna read a fine, pay the price, read that fine. I gotta make it, cause I know I'm nothing like all of them niggas that feel like they gotta fake it. I innovate it, on another level I'm in a spaceship. Your shit is basic, my shit is wavy, your shit is wasted. Niggas need more than a mirror to face it. Chicks need more than one lick to taste it. I just take a hit on the spliff and embrace it. Pour it in my cup, don't want nothing to chase it. Now I'm feeling fucked.
What a day. We've been trekking since the morning. And we've been lost for the last, what, half an hour maybe? I think we've got back on the right track. Thanks to me, of course. That's what I do.
Niggas can't get some, so I ain't trying to do this alone. Peace.
Yeah, it's still cooking. And look at the rice. Little sticky balls.
Look at this.
These are your spring rolls, eh?
Yeah, they look amazing.
Yeah, cheers.
I'm letting me down. Free, let it free my mind. I'm just stuck in the system trying to get out. So don't follow me on this odyssey. I'm lost, trying to find my way. Pure soul with his mind in the maze. When I find myself, I'ma fight with help. Right through the dark till I see the brighter days. If the world wasn't giving me the time of day, let me think about what I sold my soul. I can edit them calling. In the air, it's distorted. He's planning the birth of a beast, while I'm figuring ways to avoid it. Till I gotta move with precaution, cause this life will catch you out. 1 minute you're on top of the world, next minute.
Where is the Chinese building? Yeah.
home of COVID. China. See it. Just on the border with China, that's where you enter. How crazy is that? So I'm in Vietnam right now, but just there is the gateway into China. Just across the river there. Nuts. Vietnam. And there's China. Just walking along the riverbank, and that is China just across the river there. Never thought I'd get this close to China, but there we are. Gone for a Chinese meal. Yours actually looks better. And there's China. Yeah?
I don't know.
I like this place.
Đưa chân trái lên. Đúng rồi, đừng không nó cứ đứng thẳng rồi.
Alright then. You ready?
Rồi, ok đúng rồi, tay này cầm lấy tà đó. Đây này cầm lấy tà, đúng rồi, cầm thẳng tay xuống, đúng rồi, đó, đúng rồi, để nguyên như thế, hai ngón, đúng rồi, để nguyên như thế, giơ ra nó lên. Rồi, nghiêng đầu bên này, bên này, nghiêng đầu bên này, đúng rồi, ok, đúng rồi, như thế, nhìn đây em.
Yeah.
Đối mặt đứng cho em tí nào, xấu quá chị, đứng quay
And then you get the big one.
Hello there.
Let's go. Wait, touch it. Ooh. You pussied out.
I did.
Do it again. Yeah.
It's cool.
Yeah.
Yeah. Grab game.